Here is a complete step-by-step guide to replacing the filament runout sensor on your Snapmaker U1. First, on the touchscreen, unload the filament completely. Wait until the nozzle cools below 40 degrees Celsius. Then power off the machine and unplug the power cord for absolute safety. Part 1. Removing the tool head. Press the quick connector to pull out the filament tube. Use an H2.0 hex key to remove the 3 screws on top.
We recommend keeping the screws organized in the order you remove them. This will make reassembly much easier later.
Now insert the hex key into the center hole between the 2 locating pins and push until you hear a click to detach the tool head. Disconnect the tool head cable and remove the top cover. Part 2. Replacing the sensor. Remove the rear cover and carefully disconnect all cables from the tool head PCB. Remove the board and release all cables from their clips. Use your H1.5 and H2.0 hex keys to remove the screws and take out the extruder unit. Next, remove the bearing mount. Watch out. Be very careful not to lose the tiny bearing inside. Now, use an H1.5 hex key to remove the 2 screws. Swap in your new filament runout sensor and tighten the screws back down. Part 3. Reassembly. Reinstall the bearing mount and the extruder unit. Reconnect all cables carefully. Pay close attention to the original routing so nothing gets pinched.
Reinstall the rear cover. Before parking the tool head, this is a critical step. Use an H2.0 hex key to adjust the latch position until both red marks are fully visible. Now, place the tool head back onto the parking bracket, reconnect the main cable, install the top cover, and tighten the 3 screws. Please note that one screw is different and should be installed at the marked position. Finally, insert the filament tube. Installation complete. Thank you for watching, and happy printing.